Hi, my name is Fred Van Sickle, and but you can call me Foley Fred. I wanted to show you today some of my artistic process in capturing sounds. So what I'm gonna do is start now. I was commissioned by great people. They wanted to achieve utter realism. And that's what I do. I capture realism. I make things realistically. I don't do that fake stuff. I'm real. I don't do that. I don't do that stuff. I usually only shoot vegetable commercials because they're the easiest to get accurate sounds for. Today I'll be shooting for a. We're doing this all for a murder mystery animation, and it's going great and all. Their work is brilliant, but they need realism, and I can do the realism. I can provide the realism that they need. My film skills are so realistic that they've nominated me for several Razzies, and I've won all of them. So there, my quality's pretty good, And so right now, we're gonna do it live. We're gonna do it for real. We're gonna do it for real. We're gonna do it for real. Oh yeah, this will be great for the movie. Okay. Okay, I might have underestimated it. Okay. I might have overestimated it. Okay. No wonder I couldn't tell. Probably not. Huh?